Baba, look! That boy has the same curly hair as his dad.
That's right, Sorrow. That's called inheritance. Just like how you and Mina got some of Mama Sadie's and my features.
Mama, some puppies look just like their mom, but others look different. How does that happen?
Hey Mina, want to play a fun guessing game? Pick a ball from this box. If it's red, you win candy.
Wow! Baba, how red and white flowers make a pink flower?
Hello kids! I'm Captain AHS. Have you ever wondered how traits are passed down through generations? In today's lesson, we'll explore the general terms of inheritance to help us understand the language scientists use to explain how we inherit traits from our parents.
Baba, look! That boy has the same curly hair as his dad.
That's right, Sorrow. That's called inheritance. Just like how you and Mina got some of Mama Sadie's and my features.
So that means I got my straight hair from Mama?
Exactly. Inheritance is when parents pass their traits to their children. It includes things like hair type, eye color, and even height.
Look! That puppy looks just like its mom.
That's a great example, Sorrow. Just like humans, animals inherit traits too. That puppy got its fur color and ear shape from its parents.
But sometimes puppies in the same litter look different. Why?
That's because each puppy gets a mix of genes from both parents. That's why you and Mina don't look exactly the same either.
Mama, some puppies look just like their mom, but others look different. How does that happen?
That's a great question. It's all because of something called inheritance. Just like you and Sorrow got different traits from me and Baba Ali, baby puppies inherit traits from their parents too.
Oh! So that white puppy must have a white mom?
Maybe. But look at that brown puppy over there. Its mom is white, but its dad could be brown. That's why the puppy got brown fur.
So, traits like fur color come from both parents?
Exactly. The color of the fur, the shape of their ears, and even their eye color are all passed down through tiny instructions called genes.
Hey Mina, want to play a fun guessing game? Pick a ball from this box. If it's red, you win candy.
Yay! I got red!
This game is like genes. Inside your body, you have tiny instructions called genes that decide what traits you inherit. Some traits are dominant and show up more often, like black eyes. Others are recessive and only show when both parents pass them on, like blue eyes.
So, if I picked a blue ball, it's just like someone getting a recessive gene?
Exactly. You understand it now.
It means genes are like tiny recipe cards that tell our bodies how to look?
Exactly. And genes are found in chromosomes, which are inside our cells. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, one set from each parent.
Whoa! So my body is like a cookbook, and the genes are recipes that decide my traits?
That's a fantastic way to think about it. And the main ingredient in all these recipes is DNA, which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, the genetic material that carries information.
Wow! Baba! How red and white flowers make a pink flower?
That's called incomplete dominance. Instead of one trait taking over, they mix to create something new.
Whoa! So traits can blend too?
Yes. And sometimes, traits don't mix, they both show up. That's called codominance. Like how some cows have both brown and white spots.
Baba, what if something totally new appears, like a butterfly with rainbow wings?
That's called a mutation, a change in a gene that creates a new trait.
Is that bad?
Not always. Some mutations help animals survive, like rabbits with white fur and snowy places. Over time, these helpful changes become part of evolution.
Whoa! So, inheritance helps living things change and grow better?
That's right. You learned so much today. Now, let's go home before we inherit sleepiness.
Now it's the time for quiz. Are you ready for a fun quiz to test what you've learned about inheritance? Let's see if you've got what it takes. It's quiz time. What is inheritance? A theme park. B, passing traits. C, a carnival game. The correct answer is B, passing traits. Just like how you might inherit your hair color from your parents. What do genes decide? A, favorite color. B, school grades. C, traits we inherit. The correct answer is option C, traits we inherit. From my color to height, genes play a big role in who we are. Why do puppies look like their parents? A, same haircut. B, inherited traits. C, training. The correct answer is B, inherited traits. Just like you might look like your parents, puppies inherit their traits from their mom and dad. What type of trait shows up more often? A, hidden trait. B, recessive trait. C, dominant trait. Traits can be hidden or recessive, but the one that shows up more often is C, dominant trait. What can gene mutation do? A, change traits. B, buy tickets. C, make food. The correct answer is A, change traits. A mutation can cause a new trait to appear, sometimes helpful, sometimes not. Next time, we'll dive deeper into the concept of genes to understand how these tiny units of heredity play such a big role in shaping who we are. See you then! Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.